Page 11, playing soldiers. 2/4 time, no sharps or flats except for the accidentals. Lots of 16th notes. Let's look at the right hand first. Now you're starting with third finger here and your thumb's coming down one here. So you're kind of in this position. So it's 1 and 2 and. I could do 1 and a 2 and. 1 E and a 2 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 1 and. But I prefer not to have to count 1 E and a 2 E and a, so I just do 1 and 2 and I know the 16th notes are in between there somewhere. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. Second line similar, third line is similar, fourth line is similar, fifth line is similar. A lot of similars going on here, dude. That's pretty much it. Left hand, when it comes in, you'll notice the bottom staff is treble. So the left hand is actually up here, and it's 2/5 quarter notes. Oh, that sounds wonderful, don't it? Now this is a little bit awkward here in the left hand. Here, third line, you gotta come down. You can lift up, it's the end of a phrase, lift up, hold that half note down, and then slide off, hold it down, second finger for the fourth line, second finger on the A flat, hold it down, and then thumb on the G, hold it down, hold all these half notes down. Tricky. So work that out carefully in the left hand. Then try putting the hands together. Slowly. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. Now this is the hard part. I want third finger in the second line. I want a third finger on the C again. Okay, but now the left hand has to come up here above it to play these notes. So you're in each other's way. So keep your right hand low, not real low, but low, so the left hand can come above it. So it's here, 2. Now the right hand comes down. Now here in the first measure of the third line, both hands need that G. So there you can't hold it down in the left hand. You got to get off of it immediately so the right hand can play it. Otherwise you hold it down. And there's a quarter rest there in the right hand, not the left. Rest. And then it finishes it off. This is hard. In my opinion, this is really a tricky piece. I don't know, that's what he wrote, but Martiali, it's like a march. It's like playing left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, left, right. Eventually, keep it slow until you can figure out what your hands are doing so they don't get in each other's way and fight and don't get along. Dynamic wise, you're starting out very, very soft. This is like it's a parade and they're off in the distance and you can hardly hear them. Then in the second line is sort of moderately soft. It's a little closer. It's the right hand. Keep the left hand soft, really soft. Then the end of the line, second line, you're up a little more to it's moderately loud. Third line crescendo up to loud. that the parade is now passing by. And you're back to soft. And at the end, you're soft, very soft. It's parade's gone by. I didn't talk about articulation. I usually do that before dynamics. You got some staccatos. A nice light finger staccato is fine. Or a wrist staccato. If it's loud, you got to use a wrist pretty much. And the third line down and the third measure here. And you got accents on the half notes. Give it a little extra. So you have to work that out. I'd like to play this with you very slowly. Now play it one hand at a time with me for a while if you need to. But I'm not going to do dynamics. I'm just going to do the notes and the rhythm and the articulation and all that. Well, again, I put the metronome on 8th notes because we have too many 16th notes going on. So I'm going to give us 2 counts. So ready and go and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. So be sure you can play it at least that fast before trying it with me. It may take you can work on it. So here we go. You can leave your left hand on your lap until you need it, because when you do need it, it's got to be up here on top of the right hand pretty much. So yeah. Ready and go and 1 and 2 E and 1 E and 2 E and 1. Rest 2 and 2 2. Rest 2 2 2. Rest 2 2 2. Rest 2 2 2.